Hi! In front of me is Oppo Reno6 Pro 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. Firstly, open recorder by clicking on it, then tap on this red button to start your recording, and click while using the app or only this time in this pop-up. As you can see, your recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same red button. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the right one. Now you need to name it and save your changes by clicking on this icon at the top right corner of your Save Our Recording pop-up. As you can see, mine was successfully recorded. You can always get rid of it though by holding it, choosing Delete at the bottom right corner and tapping on Delete All Recordings. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!